This is our statistics section, where you first of all choose what league you want to research. If you want to research team stats or player stats, what type of statistic you want to have a close look at, and finally what team you want to see statistics for and what opponent. You will see a bar chart where each bar in this case represents the amount of corners the selected team got versus the opponent listed under each bar. The line will automatically be set at the same as the bookies have set versus the next league opponent for the selected team, but you can also change the line easily. Each green bar is over the line and all red bars are under the line to make it easy to see if any potential bet on overs or unders might be valuable. In this section, you will see how many bars are red or green in the last 10, 15, and 20 games. And to the right, we have ranked the opponent both in colors and numbers, where red colors are below the league average and more green colors are above the league average. If you click the info sign, you will see exactly how much more or less any team allows of the selected stat compared to the rest of the teams in the league. For silver members or higher, you will be able to see our mathematical model odds compared with the odds of the bookie to see if there's any value to be found. And you will also see this purple bar in the bar chart, which represents the expected amount of shots according to our model versus the selected opponent. To the left of the chart, we have our filters section. This is where you have to use your own imagination to determine what stats are relevant to your bet. Is your selected team playing at home or away? Try the venue filters to see how many green or red bars still appear on the screen, or how our expected amount of shots changes for the selected team. Check different sample sizes. Do you still like the bet with 10, 15, 20 games as the sample size? Apply any of our graph options to see if the trend of the team is working in your favor or against the potential bet you have been looking at. Here we also have the historical odds option, which will allow you to see what odds there have been historically versus other teams. Is your team consistently always missing or beating the bookie's valuation? Does your team have a lower line versus a worse team than last time? This is information you can see from these filters. Furthermore, we have filters for stats in the first and second half. We have filters based on what the halftime result has been. Certain teams tend to shoot a lot less when in the lead, like Manchester City, for example. You can also choose to see how many shots there are combined in the games, how many shots they concede, and if the team is more or less likely to shoot more or less than their opponent. What we like to do when we are looking for bets is to look at a bet from as many different perspectives as possible. Does the model still like the bet when there's 15, 20, or 30 games, home or away games only, and so on? This wraps up all the current features for the Statistics app. If you have any questions, make sure to write to us on X or join our Discord channel. Both links are available in the description of this video.